Hey there, gardening enthusiasts! Today I'm going to share a beginner's guide on how to grow Mexican sunflower seeds. With the right preparation and care, you can transform your garden into a colorful oasis. Let's get started. To create an ideal growing environment, choose a sunny spot with well-draining soil. Amend the soil with compost for fertility and drainage. Once ready, you can move on to planting the seeds. Wait until the last frost has passed, then sow the seeds directly into the garden soil, spacing them about 18 to 24 inches apart. Water the area gently but thoroughly until germination. Once established, Mexican sunflowers require minimal care. Regular watering during dry spells, mulching, and monitoring for pests are essential for healthy growth. Mexican sunflowers typically bloom in mid to late summer. Deadhead spent flowers to encourage continuous blooming, and consider using them for beautiful cut flower arrangements. By following these steps, you'll soon enjoy the vibrant blooms and the joy they bring. Ready to get started? Happy gardening! If you found this guide helpful, share it with other gardening enthusiasts.